Welcome. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to correctly assemble and use a dental needle with an aspirating anesthesia cartridge syringe. Start by preparing all necessary components in a clean, sterile field. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, aspirating syringe, dental needle sealed, anesthetic cartridge, gloves and mask PPE. Safety box. Check the dental needle's packaging for any damage. Ensure the needle is sterile and within its expiration date. Hold the syringe and insert the anesthetic cartridge. Rubber diaphragm in first. Ensure it sits securely inside the barrel. Before opening the needle, check whether the syringe nozzle has a designated fitment imperial or metric. Twist the shorter and longer covers of the needle in opposite directions to break the sterile seal. Then, hold the shorter cover upright and unscrew it to reveal the needle, which will attach to the syringe nozzle. Holding the longer cover, screw the needle hub securely onto the syringe nozzle. Just before the injection, remove the longer plastic cover and check the bevel orientation mark on the needle hub. Now the syringe is ready for injection. Use a controlled technique and follow your dental training and protocols. After using, carefully unscrew the needle from the syringe using the plastic protective longer cover or an appropriate method to avoid needle stick injury. Dispose of the used needle in a safety box.